Welcome to
ranDUMBness.
We're gonna eat some bread.
In 45 seconds, we have to eat 3 pieces of bread. And I have the timer right here,
Yep.
so.
3 pieces of bread, and it's usually 2. So I set my world record.
Yeah. We're about to dominate.
Okay.
1.
Are you serious? You're gonna do 3? I should do that.
That's what I'm doing.
2.
3,
Here,
go! My mouth is dry.
One bun. I didn't swallow it.
Swallow like a man.
Swallow like a Grim Reaper.
We're not gonna make it.
Let's do it for a minute.
Hold on.
I haven't even swallowed it yet.
I swallowed some.
I can't get swallowed.
That's it. Okay, I'm done. Oh. Woo. We failed.
I don't even feel
I choked. I thought I swallowed 1 piece.
an epic victory. To one and all.
Give it.
We're losers.
Just give all this to Doug. Here, puppy. It's heaven on earth.
You're welcome, man. Well, that's the end of ranDUMBness.
For today.
Yeah. Please subscribe and leave comment stuff. We'll see you guys later.
Bye, guys.